Signs that an engine has no compression include 1. Engine won't start, the engine cranks but fails to start. Backfiring, you may hear popping sounds from the exhaust or intake. 2. Rough idle, if it does start, it may run very roughly or inconsistently. Excessive cranking, the engine cranks longer than normal without firing. 3. Loss of power, significant power loss while driving or inability to maintain speed. 4. Oil consumption, increased oil usage or signs of oil in the combustion chamber. 5. Blow-by, excessive smoke from the crankcase vent. If you suspect no compression, a compression test is recommended for confirmation.